We are going to introduce you to a couple of friends of ours who made healthy, delicious, simple drinks that your whole family is going to love. Recently, Joe and I traveled to Zihuatanejo, Mexico, and one of the reasons that we love traveling so much is because we get so much inspiration from the culture and in particular the food. So let's get going. Okay, here we go.
Okay, amiga, entonces, men.
Okay, menta.
Sí.
What's your name? ¿Cómo se llama?
My name is Tony.
Tony.
And cucumber. Okay? Cucumber. And lemon juice. Lemon juice. It's okay?
Sí.
A little sugar. Poquita.
Azúcar.
That's okay? A little more?
Sí, no, perfect. Maybe a quarter of a teaspoon.
Okay, bueno.
Raw sugar.
That's it.
See? Now we're gonna blend. Everything here.
Listo.
Nice chunky salt. This is
Listo, amiga.
nice. This is very nice.
Special feeding. Listo. Okay, salud.
Salud.
Okay.
¿Cómo se dice love to you?
Okay, thank you. Gracias por prepararme. Thank you por preparar.
Gracias por preparar
Sí.
mi bebida.
Claro, yeah.
Sí, muchas gracias.
Salud. Wow. Okay.
Oh, so good. Casa Elvira restaurant, and we are going to make fresh papaya juice. So come on in with me. Hello, this is my friend Nahum. He is the manager of Casa Elvira restaurant.
It's pretty simple, but it's really a very delicious, fresh papaya juice that I'm going to making now. It's really easy, simple. The important is the product. The product is really fresh. So I'm going to start to do it. So what I'm going to do is a single use. I got to add just 2 ice cubes, and then I do the fresh papaya. What we're talking about.
Look how beautiful that is.
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
that's enough. And then we put a little bit of grenadine to make a little just sweet enough. That's it. And then we add some purified water first, and then we stir, blend it. It doesn't need really too much time. You got a great texture, as you can see. Look at this. It's just simple and very, very great use.
Nice and cold
Yeah,
too.
very nice and cold, healthy, 100% papaya use.
Yummy.
Most of the people love it because it's really good, even for, after having good breakfast, something light. It's really a good digestion, so it's really worth to try this local product.
Oh, I love it.
Here in Casa Elvira restaurant, try and then tell me. talking about. Right, yeah.
Bien,
It can be very nice, just cold, exactly, fresh, and 100% fresh local products.
Love it.
So we are here to take care of you guys.
And we're
My
here.
name is Neho.
Neho.
Bienvenido a this restaurant.
Yep.
And I'm here to take care of you guys. So
Love it.
that's all. We'll see you soon.
Yes, yes,
All
you
right.
will.